Yo guys, and what's the and welcome back to the channel, the TKS family, aka Harris family, your favorite family channel. Guys, welcome back. It is Vlogmas day number 6, guys, and we're not dropping the flag. 6 days, the time going fast, eh?
Yeah, boy.
Just now it's Christmas, guys, and we're really excited, we're really pumped because we have so many things to do, guys, to share with you all, for you all to come along, join us, and Christmas Day. Mwah. Guys, we have something planned.
I can't believe how the guy that's going.
Yeah, so I don't know if any other YouTubers you guys enjoying the Vlogmas so far, but we definitely enjoying it, and we hope you guys enjoying it and our content. Alright, so today, as you guys saw in the team, we're gonna be unboxing our very new refrigerator. You don't know.
Finally.
Yes, and this honestly, this is a milestone for me.
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can remember when some months ago we went looking for fridge, etc. But we finally get it right.
Yeah. And as we go along, we're gonna at least share with you guys basically why it is we're so happy, why it is we're so rejoiced about it. But anyhow.
Okay guys, so Courts we bought the fridge from, right? So when they came, they had to unbox they had to unbox part of the fridge for me to see if it had any dents or anything. So the fridge is partially unboxed already. Right? So when Kevin finished unboxing it, it's because I'm always seeing everything is because
I can tell my story. This. I find when it is you buy something cash, you shouldn't have to be paying no delivery price. I mean, if it's that you buy it at a purchase, whatever the case, I know they could play around now.
So why you pay cash?
No,
I don't know. The thing is, we can pay. I find you can pay for delivery, but you shouldn't have to pay so much.
Yeah, but like plenty of us.
But I don't mind you paying the delivery because any store thing and they want to deliver, you still have to pay for delivery.
Alright, but so I agree with you. The amount
is the amount
it's like oh gosh. But anyhow, we didn't mind. We buy a fridge, we wanted it delivered here, so it's here, and it's time to go and see.
Yeah guys.
No. So there's it here.
This is the fridge here, guys.
Anyway. So as you guys can see, it's my basic brand. Alright, I had to take out the bottom. Right, because
don't worry, these little thing in the back there, I found the fridge. Kev, take it, turn on the fridge, No. Guys, let's see what you're doing, huh? Anyway, you know what to do, and because where you work.
Guys, I work American, so that was my fullest job. So 5+ years, and I know how to handle things. We still lift up these things and throw it, and we back and go upstairs.
So he know what to do.
So I know, I'm not young boy, I can do that now.
Yeah, guys, it was a really pleasure to get our fridge because I will show you all our previous fridge, how it was. Well, I think I see it in our previous videos. So all you can see right now is how small it was. So it was a really pleasure. This fridge actually that we had there is from the daycare, when I had the daycare. So this is our, I can't say our first fridge, this is our second fridge. This is this is No.
This was the daycare one.
This was the daycare one. This is the second fridge because when we when we move out, the first time when we didn't know, I was getting married, I think we moved out and we had really little fridge and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, we came a long way, you know.
Yes, we did.
It wasn't always a bed of roses.
We did came a long way.
Still, as a couple, as a family, we still, we still moving ahead. But the thing is, as she was explaining, with that small fridge, as a starter, and a lot of people just feel that when you're starting up,
you have to start big.
Yeah, you have to start big. It's not always so. I mean, the first time when we got married and we moved out, we had it easy because both my family and
my father
will have paid and get everything. So we moved it everything.
That's it. When it was we now moving for the first time, but we didn't move here. When we moved to our first apartment, as Kevin said, Kevin's family and my father, they bought everything for us for the house. I can tell you how blessed we was.
Yeah, so we did get
we get through.
We did get that start.
And this time here, when we came here, okay, so then we eventually got married.
Yeah.
And we didn't stay in the apartment too long. We ended up going back.
We stayed about 3 years.
So we ended up selling everything
and
we
went
back by Kevin's mother.
And then from there now.
From there we end up. That's when with the COVID and everything, I ended up coming here to open the daycare closed down, and we didn't want to give up the place because it's a very nice place as you all can see. So we ended up coming to move here. When we came here to move, that's when we now started, if you all go back in our first
in the very beginning, or you could scroll back years, that many years, well,
20,
to the beginning here.
That's when we started, that's when we came here to live.
Guys, this place was like a ghost town. The ball woo in here, woo.
We had 2 green chairs.
Yeah, we stopped. I think then we start over with videos.
If we go back in our vlog, in our other vlogs, Korean vlogs, all you will see.
Yeah, exactly.
And eventually we start to get our things,
piece by piece.
But we didn't let that stop us, you know. And then we got our first. This is our first fridge that we bought on our own.
Yeah, you understand? So never be discouraged because of how you're starting. The most important thing is to start. The hardest thing is to continue. And that is what a lot of people don't like to do because of the fact of that now start and then have it. So we today, we still have more to go, but we have reached far in basically how we was before. So I'm gonna show you.
It was a struggle, but we never one day go hungry, and thank God for that. We always have the support from our family. From my father, then before he passed away.
Yeah.
And now, from my mother and my father.
Yeah, my parents,
we have the support.
They give us that support,
They are blessed people. God placed me in our blessed family, and I first thank God for that.
Yeah, and remember we always tell you put God first in our family.
Yes.
So let me just give you a little tour of it, basically.
What is the fresh?
So I kind of like just taking off the little strips. I'm going to show you that. I just
have things behind you too.
One to the back here.
And if you're wondering where Sarai is asleep.
Yeah, she's sleeping.
Yes, guys.
Alright, let's see if I can organize it. So,
so I want to see inside. Oh, it has plastic on it.
The reason why I think that is probably for the door.
For inside? Okay.
Oh no. Okay. So
this is it, guys.
And the reason why we
have a lot of space.
Silver. Because I love silver.
So we had to change the stove now.
Well, eventually, silver.
Because all our appliances was white.
Yeah.
But now we will have to change.
So we do plan to get a TV also. So the TV should be in the same silver, right? But yeah, guys.
TV will be silver or black.
I think it's the silver one I choose it. The silver lining. Or the silver lining, yeah.
Okay.
So yeah. I like this. 1, 2, 3 shelves down to the bottom, of course.
I find it have a lot of space.
But they have plenty space. So you can always adjust it to where you want.
Yes.
Put it,
You see the spacing? Because our fridge there, Lord Jesus, only Jesus.
Yeah, the freezer.
Have a lot of space in the freezer as well. And what we love about this fridge, because our fridge we have here now, we have to defrost it. This fridge, no defrost!
Yeah, you don't need to defrost this.
So that's a good thing. We upgrade.
We upgrade and we're happy. You understand? So
yes.
We just as we say, we just have to maintain it, make sure to keep it clean, all the places.
Please.
Yeah, I wonder what is this for? Oh, they still turn up the
Turn up the coolness.
Oh, and it's how they have it. So, how you turn on this?
I don't know. You gotta figure it out.
Yeah, I guess we'll figure out that.
We'll figure out that.
Yeah, guys, so I want to do this before we finish the video, right? Today we're going to do a post notification shout out, and this post notification shout out goes to Sophia Sanka. Yes, big up yourself, big up your whole self. Alright, on behalf of the TKS family, thanks and appreciate you.
Yes, Sophia, because you have been saying I don't big you. Yes, Sophia, so that's big
well,
up.
Well, you should big up.
Let's big up is for Sophia Sanka.
Yeah, don't drop the
from your girl Tris here, and I love you.
Yeah, so that is it basically, guys. That's it basically today.
I want to know something too. Guys, the fresh color on me so. And our friend there, if they could see, you want to have things on top of the fridge.
He's always putting things on top of the fridge.
No.
I mean, we can put it, you know. We can put it, you know, but I'm not, we ain't habit, yeah. We go keep on top the clean. You understand?
Okay, guys, so now I'm going to surprise Sarai with her gift for today. Right, guys, so let's go. She's on the bed right now, so let's go. Sarai. Guys, Sarai, not even taking one. Sarai, let's have something. Look at this present for the mama. See what mama have here for you. Open it and see what mama have for you today. Open it. Mommy and daddy, mother of God. Open it. Take it out and see what it is. Open it, take it out. Alright.
What?
Is that a dartboard?
Trouble is
She
this.
got dartboard, guys. I'm going to show you.
You got dartboard to play.
She could play dartboard. Well, we had to fight up and she felt it and see.
Yeah. What trouble is this?
Yeah, that's right. Wow. Nice. So this is day number 6, guys. So I'll see y'all from day number 7. Peace out.
So yeah, guys, so that's it today's vlog, and we hope you enjoy this little content, and keep that message with you, of course, you know, don't stop.
Don't give up,
Keep going. All right, so on behalf of the entire family, TKS family, is your boy Kevin. He's here, and as we always say,
undivided and together forever. We are.
No longer I do that.